Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about how I went at the drag strip. So I went to and entered an event called Streetcar Takeover, and I was in the Index 12 class. So I was a little bit afraid that I was going to break out, meaning that I was going to run under 12s. So a couple of cars that I was ahead on, I would let go of off the gas, so make sure that I wouldn't break out. So had a little bit of that going on. But other than that, it was great. Did get to run pretty nice times. Got to run some pretty cool cars. Um, so anyway, without further ado, here's the video, and hope you like and enjoy.
Daniel Vasquez out front. Get it dialed in before we come back to elimination.
See if I can get a better video for him.